What I would like to demonstrate to you today is our upgrade option, which is the spindle brake for the diamond cut machine from Wheel Restore. The spindle brake is basically an active brake for the spindle inside of the machine itself. Now I would like to demonstrate when it's not activated. So I run the spin test with the wheel. So this means I will increase the RPM of the wheel to 800, and then I will let go of the foot pedal for the machine to brake itself. Now I let go of the foot pedal and it will start braking. As I'm demonstrating here, you can see it takes a significant amount of time for the machine to break down without the spindle brake. And now the wheel have come to a complete stop. What I would like to demonstrate to you now is I will then activate the spindle brake, and I'll do the same thing as I did before. Do the spin test at 800 RPM for you to see the difference between with a spindle brake and without a spindle brake. And now I will let go of the wheel. What I just demonstrated here is that there's a significant time saving for every single pass that you do with your diamond cut wheel machine when you upgrade it with a spindle brake. A spindle brake takes less than 2 weeks to pay off in the time efficiencies that you're gaining with this upgrade. The upgrade can be done on every single machine, and it's something that only takes 5 minutes to do and is easy and simple to do as well.